New Orleans is a Louisiana city on the Mississippi River, near the Gulf of Mexico. It is nicknamed the Big Easy. It's known for the round-the-clock nightlife, vibrant live music scene, and spicy singular cuisine reflecting its history as a melting pot of French, African, and American cultures. Embodying its festive spirit is Mardi Gras, the late winter carnival famed for raucous costume parades and street parties. New Orleans also ends up falling on the latitude of 29 and the longitude of -90.
Coming up.
And welcome back, everyone. We are in Storm Alert here at the Weather Channel. I'm Kim Perez.
And I'm Nick Walker. As Hurricane Katrina has made landfall now on the southern Louisiana coast, just east of Grand Isle, Louisiana.
Let's go ahead and give you the particulars here. The winds right now 150 miles per hour around the center. This is a Category 4 hurricane. Now, yesterday it was a Category 5 hurricane, but you know what? There's not much that much difference between a Cat 5 and a very strong Cat 4. So don't let your guard down. Right now the pressure is at 917. I believe we got a recon of 918 millibars, so it continues to weaken some, and it's moving north.
And the path will continue here to bring heavy rain and possibly damaging winds even into portions of Mississippi, Alabama, and then over the course of Tuesday and Wednesday we'll see more flooding rain from the Great Lakes into the Ohio.
New Orleans has an average daily high temperature of 78 degrees Fahrenheit and has its low of 64 degrees Fahrenheit in January and its high of 92 degrees in both July and August. However, temperatures can dip down to mid-40s with the average daily low in January being 45 degrees. Combined with the temperature, New Orleans is also a very hot and humid area in the summer months, which can also lead to producing a lot of rain. On average, New Orleans can see about 68 inches of rainfall. With New Orleans being both hot and humid, it automatically makes it a low-pressure zone, which most likely allowed for Katrina to change its course and head for the Big Easy. New Orleans is also surrounded by water to its north with Lake Pontchartrain, and to the south with the raging Mississippi River. This causes issues of flooding, with New Orleans actually being 2 feet below the sea level. This is important because when the water floods, there's nowhere for it to go, causing the city to slowly begin to fill up with water like a giant bowl.
New Orleans is called the Big Bowl, a lake to the north, a river to the south, and canals on both sides. Most of the land in between is below sea level. When Katrina breached the levees that held the water back, the bowl was swamped. And in the poorer neighborhoods of that bowl, people who could least afford it have lost the most. Water is still head high, swamping everything in sight. Every rescue boat that goes out comes back heavy with human cargo. One crew had to break open the front of this house to get to a woman who had been trapped in her attic for 2 days.